This is the BMW 1 Series E87. It has a couple of different radio types. In my case, it's just a simple business CD radio. Probably the cheapest option that these cars had in all the markets. Still, lots of people ask how can you use auxiliary input. So it has auxiliary input right here. It's not very convenient, but still it has a possibility to connect devices, phone or whatever. And then what you need to do, you need to first connect the device you want to use for music. Then you need to turn on the radio. And now you need to find a mode button, and when you press the mode several times, you will see auxiliary here, and this means that now your BMW radio will play music from the auxiliary connected device. Now the problem is that in many cases this function is coded out. So BMW has it in the head unit, but they just coded it out for your trim to make the trim maybe look cheaper. I don't know why they did it, but what you may do, you may actually find someone who codes BMW vehicles and code this function back in, so you will have the opportunity to listen music from auxiliary connections. And of course you can activate it on your own if you have the proper software, and then you just watch the videos on how to do it. It's not that complicated in these vehicles.